Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Eben Jules, an interventional radiology resident, and in this video, I'll walk you through the overall workflow of a CT guided lung biopsy using real case images from my institute. And this video is strictly for educational purposes and is never a substitute for formal hands on training. And do not attempt to do any procedures based solely on this video. So here first we'll take a scanogram of the thorax to plan for the CT scan. And here in the scanogram you can see the lesion is in the right lower lobe. And then we'll take, based on the scanogram, we'll take a CT scan of the lung lesion. So here our plan is we want to go in the safest, shortest path to the lesion while minimizing the respiratory motion. So here in the CT scan you can see uh, we have drawn a line from the spinous process to the area of skin entry. So this is the distance we will go from the midline to the lateral aspect, and that will be the skin entry. And from there, we'll directly go into the lesion. So our main plan would be to avoid bulla, fissures, and major vessels through the lung. So once the trajectory is decided, what we do is the skin is marked and the area will be cleaned and draped in a sterile fashion. Now we use a small needle and we'll mark the skin entry and we'll take a CT scan again. So here we have taken a CT scan again and we are happy with the location of the needle. Next, what we'll do is we'll give local anesthesia, and that is usually 10 cc of lignocaine. And after that, we'll take a blade and give a nick. After that, we will be using one of a coaxial needle, that is the one shown in the screen. And once you remove the stillet of this, we will put an automatic biopsy gun through it. So in this case, we'll be using an 18 gauge automatic needle or automatic gun with 10 centimeter length and a 2 centimeter throw. So here in this image, you can see we have passed the coaxial needle and we have taken a CT scan again. And here you can see the coaxial needle tip is within the lesion, but not in the center of the lesion. And 2 centimeters from there is the ideal position of the lesion. So we will pass the automatic gun through it with a throw of 2 centimeter, and we can get the center of the lesion. And now we have placed it and we have placed the stillet. We have removed the stillet of the coaxial needle. And now we have passed the automatic gun through it. And we will take only 4 cores from it. So here you can see this is a core, that is, in the automatic gun, we'll get the tissue sample. And this is how it looks like in the bottle. And here we'll put 1 core in each of these bottles, in two bottles having normal saline and 2 bottles having formalin. Following which we will take a CT scan and we'll look if there is any complication like a hemorrhage or a pneumothorax. So this is how we do a CT guided lung biopsy. Hope you like the video. Thank you.